Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Mahesh Mopedi. Welcome to Investing in Tech. So today I'm going to share my analysis on how we captured this moment in Nifty. What was the reason? And I'm going to share my analysis. So how we captured 60 points in call options. What was the reason? So before that, let's go to daily time frame. So as you can see, uh, why price reversed, and as you can see we applied anchored VWAP to the lowest point from where the price uh, took uptrend and reversed from here and took an uptrend. So we applied anchored VWAP and we saw that price is taking price is taking support here, and again a good displacement. After a good displacement here there was a supply zone, and from there price fell very sharp. This is how institution manipulates to, because they have a large order to fill up. And according to us, we waited here and we saw again a kind of a good displacement as we go to a lower time frame. I can show you. So price came to this buying zone, and see the momentum here. Price to a good momentum, then retrace back, and again the displacement was really good. So on this point here, one of the zone was created. As you can see, this is the concept that we use for our investment purpose. So this is the FTR zone that was created here. It is one of the demand, and how we recognize demand and supply with different pattern that already exist in the market. And when price created such demand, this is the 2 hour time frame, and demand, we waited for the price to retrace. I'm mostly focused on short term investing, short term and long term investing. Trading is not. Uh, I see whenever I get opportunity, and I trading very rarely I do, and mostly intraday. So whenever I get opportunity, I use that. So I got this opportunity here, and because I'm new to YouTube and I don't recall this, but I thought of sharing my analysis in intraday too, so we can capture the good points in the market from the market. So at this level, as you can see, a zone demand zone was created, and as we go to the lower time frame, so this again on 4th September, the price fell very sharply, and there was news again. Understand, institution level is created way before to manipulate the market. So as you can see, price uh, came here. You see a good gap up and then fell sharply because there was a supply zone here, because this is where the pending orders were there. So after supply, again here liquidity was created at this demand zone, and when price came here, we saw strong support, and demand zone was also there. So we, at 5 minute time frame, we took position here. I'll be showing you the recorded video that we took while trading, and how much we made, just to show you. Uh, so when price came here, we took position, and I exited around here because again, if you see, this is where there is a supply zone is here 25 minute, and when you go to 5 minute time frame opposite side, you will see that a good fall you can see. So many a times as we go we trade in 1 minute time frame, but many traders ignore the level from where the supply or the trend has changed and how strong the momentum is. So high chances that there will be a pending order to move the price in the opposite side again after taking the liquidity. So as you can see here, the liquidity was created and price was pushed down. So that is the reason. And again, we were trading in call option. We bought option. So uh, if we stay here to see, yeah, we would have, but if we stay here, we would have experienced theta decay. So in option buying, we have to be very fast, because or we will be losing due to theta decay. So I have no option. So we exited here. And if you see the call option, you see uh, on 5th September, you'll see the call option that price again, call price of call option fell again sharply. So we exited here. So what should be your view for the next week? This is how we read the chart and we expect what is going to happen in the market. This is not an recommendation. So this is what we, as per the chart, what price is saying that will happen, and we similarly we take position with respect to what price is doing at that level. So we don't pre-plan, but we try to anticipate how price with respect to price, because finally when price enters the zone, what price is doing, how price is behaving, that is the only uh, signal or uh, that we try to read and create our plan and trade. So as you can see, this this is already taken from this fall, and again this price is this price is also taken. Okay? And if you see, this is also taken. So what my view is, if from this zone, price may rise very sharply in the next session, and might, because this is, if you see, this is price might take resistance here or little bit retracement, and price may even break this and then reach to this level, because this is where an untapped zone, a supply zone is there, and again we'll see a recovery or sharp. Either if the market sentiment is negative, price will again fall very sharp. Because price fell from this zone very sharply, so we expect the same. Or if only and only if you see price is coming like this, then only we can this zone will be thinking of shorting at this zone to see a target till this level, because this is also again a tested zone here. So again, if such thing happens, this is the level that I'm expecting, that is 23,900 on the downside. But again, if price if price has a good shows a good momentum like this, and if price break this level, and again this zone is under compression zone, which is and a big, this compression is also one of the biggest big concept, because there are a lot of factors involved in compression. You may find this online, but I would say don't try to practice it, backtesting it. See how price reacts in such zone, because this is the institutional free fall zone. You may see a big movement in this compression zone. So try to avoid it. First learn and understand what compression is, because I know uh, in short, price compression is, you can say, a vacuum where price freely uh, move in a single direction, because the opposite orders are very less. So if you see here, this is the zone, supply zone one, and again above this, because all these levels are taken. So this is also a compression zone. So because this supply zone, that is this supply zone is under compression zone, so I expect price to move sharply from here and then retrace uh, uh, and then retrace and then make a swap here and then retrace here and again break through this compression zone. This is what I'm expecting. And if you're planning a trade, I would say if you are in this zone, according to this, not a recommendation, just I would say if price enter in this zone and I get opportunity here, so there is also a tapped zone. So this is why this is not a supply zone now because it's already tapped. So I would say this whole from this, because this is a 2 hour time frame, price will move very sharp from this, and again a big move you can see because all liquidity is also already taken here, and price move from one liquidity area to another liquidity area, and this is the only supply liquidity areas, and but it also lies in compression zone. So as you can see, so as price will move, this is my view, only look for buying, and if the price is in this zone also I'll look for buying, but I will avoid this zone. I'll see how price behave in this zone, and then only think. And once price reaches at this level, again, if price once price reaches this level, all this move, whatever move that is going to happen in this zone, will be a deciding factor what I'm going to plan here. So uh, same way plan uh, if you're planning to trade. So just keep all that in mind. Okay, and just to share, I my only aim was to just share you how we captured a big 60 more points. So something I was trying this for a long time, anticipating, and I was trying for an intraday for a long time to catch such big moves, and something I found. But I'll backtest it in future, and I'll surely share with you that in my coming videos. That what was that thing, how I anticipated this, what thing I saw and then anticipated. If it is recurring, if it is a pattern, then I would surely share that with you. So if you like my all this analysis, you can subscribe to my channel and share with your friends who are trading and who are already tried such concepts and but unable to make profit. Then share this analysis might help you. And finally, I would like to say that all these concepts are uh, a very advanced concept. So you will be, this is what I've done. I learned it from all the material that are there online. But whenever price is to reach at this level, if it moves maximum times, it moved against my uh, view. And whenever price move from such level, it uh, gains a lot strong momentum because of institutional involvement. So try not to just understand just understanding this concept and within 1 month entering in trading. Practice it because this is very advanced level and such level are very strong. Either it will be give profit in your with respect to your view, or it will go against you, and whenever it goes against you, that is with my experience, it moves very strongly. If you don't put stop loss, you'll lose very big. So, or if you have any queries with respect to this, then you can comment. So thank you very much.